Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning to draw Ariel step by step. Let's start by drawing. First I am drawing its eyes and its eyelashes, another eye and its eyelashes. Let's draw its face, nose and its eyebrows. Let's draw its cute face and ears. I am drawing its body and its arm. Next we can draw the glue, its shell and its tail. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's draw its hair. You can draw with me. I love to drawing your Ariel and other mermaids. Let's draw its hair waves. The Ariel is almost done. Let's draw its waves in its tail. I'm going to color it. You can color with me. I am coloring its eyes. First, I am coloring its hair with red color. I love red color. Ariel hair color is red, and children like to buy red color hair. And they also watch a Ariel cartoon. Its hair is looking so nice. Let's color another red color in here. The hair is almost done. Pink color. I am coloring its ears and its cheek. Skin color. I am coloring its face. I love its cute face. I am coloring its neck and its body. Then I am coloring its arm. I am coloring its tummy. Second arm. If you like my video, then like, subscribe and share. I am going to color its tail with peacock color. Sea green color. I am coloring its eyes, its cute eyes. Then I am coloring its shell and its tail. Oh, it's looking such a beautiful Ariel. I am coloring its earring and its trunk with yellow color. Purple color. I am coloring in shell. Dark purple color.
Subscribe us for more videos.